Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have a mascara review. Dun, 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 no surprise there. We're getting closer to the new year, so obviously new products are going to be coming out. And I mean, it's a new product for the UK because it's already out in America. I didn't know that until I googled it just now, but it's not out at all in the UK. So we've not seen this before. I have never seen it until it came into Superdrug, so it's not out yet. It will be going out next week. Today's Thursday. It will be going out on Wednesday next week, and hopefully I get this up today. I better get this up today. Caroline, you better get this up today. So this is the Maybelline SNAPSCARA. It's completely different packaging. I've never seen this kind of packaging before from Maybelline. Their packaging is like very what's the word, like circular and pointy, and they do have a squared off one, but that is like their Great Lash, their pink and green lid and pink bottle. But this is the SNAPSCARA. I was looking around for like something to tell me in store if there was anything what's about it. It says on the packaging, easy on, easy off mascara. Now, so like, can you take it off with water or something? Like, I don't take off my makeup with water. No. I take it off with eye makeup remover. Super good. Nivea Double Effect eye makeup remover. That stuff is sensational. And that stuff removes anything, waterproof or not. So if it says easy on, easy off, I'm expecting to take off my mascara like this. Snap, snap. I put the cotton pad on, leave it there for a couple seconds, give it a little wipey wipe, and it's gone. That's what I'm expecting. But with mascara reviews, there's nothing that really surprises me nowadays, because I have my favourite mascara which I've actually run out, which I'm going out to get some more today. This is the L'Oreal X Fiber waterproof. I've said this, I think if you look through every single mascara review that I've done after I reviewed this one, you will see that I bring this up every single review because this is the only one that works for my eyelashes. I recommend this to everyone that comes into Superdrug. If they ask for mascara, this is the first thing I go to, and this is the only thing that I go to. If we don't have this in stock, well, what can I say? I mean, this is the only thing that works for me. So let me show you the brush. The thing is, I completely forgot how much this was. I bought a lot of things that day. Like, I bought this as well, which is their new City Bronzer. This hasn't come out either, and I'm using it today very lightly. Like, I've literally only got the Maybelline concealer on today, all over, smothered all over my face. This is my go-to when I want a quick, I need to get out of the house. So I need to get some more of that. And obviously, it's kind of like a Maybelline face day today. So I've got this on. This is in medium warm 250. These will be coming out soon. It's a bronzer and contour powder. So this one is more cooler. So it actually looks like I'm contouring my face and bronzing my face up. But anyways, let me show you the brush of this. I think this was either $8.99 or $7.99. So luckily for me, these are the only kind of brushes that work on my eyes. Sorry, I don't know where my hands are going. So it's a wire brush and it's curved, so I'm expecting some curl and volume. If I bring up the US website, the Maybelline website, it says SNAPSCARA washable mascara, pitch black. Yeah, pitch black. It's not just mascara, it's new SNAPSCARA, smooth, clump-free volume on and off in a snap. Not clumpy, not flaky, not tough to take off. And it says $7.77. So I'm guessing it'll probably be $7.99 or $8.99 in England. I literally didn't look at the price. I'm sorry, I forgot. I usually keep the receipt on me, but I don't know what happened. It was Christmas season, okay? It was crazy. So I'm gonna try this on. As you can see, I've done my whole face except for my eyelashes, and I feel weird. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see how it is. Usually I believe it's waterproof mascaras that do okay on my eyelashes, not sure, but you know, I'll have hope for it. It says it's washable, so it's easy to come off. Usually when it says it's easier to come off, it flakes, but it says it's flake free, so let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna curl my lashes because without that there is literally no point in wearing mascara, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes off camera. Okay, so my eyelashes are curled to did, and I'm gonna start on my left eye as I am left-handed, and let's just see how this applies. Whenever it comes to new brushes, I never know how much pressure to put on before I get all over my eyelid. My outer corner lashes are the worst. Already I can see the curl is kind of straightening out. Let me just look up for you. So it really looks nice, it's not clumping, but I can already see the curl is straightening up. It was really curly. If you saw it from the beginning, if you just go back a couple minutes and you see my eyelashes, you can already tell that it's just a little bit, it's uncurled itself. So let me just quickly recurl this eye. Alright, so this is the first layer for this eye. Let me look up for you. Now it makes my lashes look really long and really luscious. It's not clumpy at all, it's not thick, it looks really, really nice and light. I'm just going to give it a couple seconds before I feel like this eye over here is my best eye. Like whatever I put on it, it always looks nice regardless if it, you know, uncurls, but it always looks nice. This is like the best eye. This eye, I think it's because I sleep on this side, so my eyelashes just naturally go in this direction. So it's harder to, you know, look even on this side, but I can already tell it's straightening out. I'm going to do one more layer on this eye, not really just to test out if it's, you know, clump free, just because I feel like I want to build it up a little bit just to make it a little bit more fuller, my lashes, not too thin. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, let me just show you. Now, I don't know about you, but it looks like it's clumped some of my lashes together, and I don't like it. To be honest, I'd rather just leave it at one layer. So, okay, let me just get an eyelash brush because I don't like the way it's looking. Okay, so that'll have to do. I prefer it as one layer because it looks long, it doesn't stick my lashes together. Like my lashes are very, you know, splayed out, like they're not straight, they're not curly, they're just straight, and that's it. So to be honest, I would only use this for one layer, me personally. Some people have absolutely amazing lashes and you can just rock whatever you want and you're blessed like that, but me, I have to go through certain steps to actually get nice looking lashes that I feel like I want to go out in. So to be honest, I'm going to leave it at that. I mean, it has uncurled my eyelashes, but still, if I look into the camera, you can still see them. They're still, you know, at a curl that you can still see them. But I'm going to attempt to do my lower lashes because, you know, I'm not going to go out the house without having any, you know, lower lashes on, or else I look bold, no matter how much makeup I'll have on. If I don't have any of this down here, I look like I have nothing on. Like, what I can mention is that it's a really nice light formula. I like the brush. It's not too heavy on the eye. It doesn't feel heavy either, it just feels like you're applying a light layer. That's alright. I am going to leave it at that. Really and truly, I've already got my verdict on it. I can already tell how it is. It's a decent mascara. Now, to be honest, this has worked a lot better than other mascaras that I've used before. There's been some mascaras that literally have made my eyelashes completely uncurl. It looks rubbish, and that's that. This mascara actually is pretty nice. It's very light. No matter in the first layer how many times you do it, it won't clump up, but if you let it slightly dry and then do another layer, then it's gonna slightly stick together. So if you do want to build it up, I'd say continue building it up while it's still wet. I think this happens with probably every mascara anyway, when you build on it while it's getting dry. So to me, I prefer my right eye because I did do another layer. This is just one layer and I prefer it. So that's what it's looking like. I think I might go out, do what I need to do, run my errands, and I might come back home and record how how it comes off, because it says easy on, easy off. I want to see how easy on or how easy off it is, because it is easy on. It makes my eyelashes curled, but not as curled as I'm used to. What I'm usually used to is my eyelashes touching my eyebrows, or like, you know, I can feel it on my eyelid. So if I do that, I can feel them touching. So that's what I'm used to. But I'm going to run some errands and I'm gonna come back. Up to now, it's decent. Not the best what I'm used to, but it's still, if you want that easy just and go, this is actually pretty decent. So the Maybelline SNAPSCARA, decent up to now. I'm gonna go out, it might uncurl, it might stay the same, so we'll see. Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Okay, your girl is somewhat back. You know, half my makeup is like everywhere. The mascara. Now, what I've noticed is that, you know, I was out today and I was like doing this because I was a little bit itchy. The wind was blowing, my hair was in my face. No surprise when I wear a ponytail, that's why I always have it in braids. But what I've actually noticed is that I do have a little bit of fallout. So to what I can see, it's actually slightly transferred. Now, if you are a person who gets irritated eyes, if you get irritated eyes very easily and you are constantly rubbing your eyes, then I probably wouldn't say this is the right one for you. Though it didn't say it was waterproof, which is something that is like the best invention ever, because it won't come off, it doesn't flake, it doesn't look bad. You can like literally touch your eyelashes and it doesn't flake. Now what I can see is that the eye with one layer has practically faded off. Now mind you, I didn't wear this out, I did change into another t-shirt, but my eyelashes didn't touch my t-shirt, and so I don't know how it's actually like rubbed off compared to this one where I had 2 layers. I can still slightly see it. Like, I don't know what I've done, I really don't know what I've done, but I have a little bit of mascara on my eyelid. The lower lashes, they're still there, but it's still kind of, what's the word, smudged slightly. So if you're looking for a mascara that doesn't smudge, I don't know if you can see it, I'm not really sure if you can see any smudging, but this is what my eyelashes look. So this was with 2 layers, this is with 1 layer, and basically the one with 1 layer, there's pretty much no mascara left. So what I'm here for really is to remove it. Obviously it's easy off because half of it's already gone already, but I'm going to use a eye makeup remover and I'm going to remove this. We'll see how quickly it's going to come off. I think it's going to be really easy. Obviously I barely have any on, there's barely any left over. This lash literally has no mascara on it. So okay, I've taken some of my eye makeup remover and just see how easily it's going to come off. It's very black on the actual pads. Some of them don't come out as dark. Okay, so that is it. That's my eyes clean. As you can see, there's no more mascara left. On my eyelashes, it's done. Of course, it's going to be easy on, easy off because there's barely any mascara there. But let me just give you my final thoughts on it. This actually went into work and I saw how much this is. It's introductory offer as $6.99. Usually it's going to be $7.99 straight up. That is the price they're going to sell it at. But for the first month of it being released, it's going to be $6.99. So if you want to try it out, try it out. If you want a really easy, quick mascara to just put on in a rush, this is probably a really, really good mascara. Again, it says easy on, easy off, so it's meant of the reason they made it is ease of use. So they wanted something, I guess, you know, that you can just grab out your bag, pop on really quickly. When you're done for the day, just wipe it off. And yeah, so I mean, it's pretty decent as ease of use, but in terms of longevity, I don't think it would last as long as obviously a waterproof mascara or kind of any other mascara. The brush, I like the brush, it's curved and it's like a wire brush. I prefer those kind of brushes because they actually like do something to my eyelashes compared to like the rubber ones. Price, decent. I mean, $6.99, $7.99 is nothing really. People be paying a lot more than that. I pay $10.99 for my mascara, so it's pretty cheap. I might be using it again. I probably will use it for those days like today, like if I'm just gonna run quick errands and I'm just gonna I just want to put a little bit of mascara and go out of the house, you know. So this is something that I'd probably use. So I will keep this in my makeup bag to the left of me, where I keep all the things that I actually use here and there, so that when I go out, I just go 1, 2, 1, 2, wiggle it around, and I'm off. So it is a decent mascara for ease of use, and that's kind of what I like it for. But in terms of, again, longevity, for the way it looks on my eyelashes, it's not the best. So I probably will again stick with my X5 waterproof, because it does the best for my eyelashes, and I love the way it looks. So really, it's a good mascara. Depends on what eyelashes you have, if you like waterproof, you know, how you like to wear your mascara, if you like your eyelashes thick, so on. So yeah, that is the review for the Maybelline SNAPSCARA. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. And you can touch it, it won't